All right, good morning, everybody in Australia, and good evening to everybody in North America. This is the weekly chart review call, and beginning with the S&P 500 futures, that's ES. Uh, if you look at it on a weekly chart, this is uh, perfect sideways uh, trend on the weekly, and if this current week becomes a green week right here, it would be like right here. We had a high base formation and that's a bullish pattern again, ready to shoot up. So we're forming another high base at the top on the weekly, which would be a very strong bullish pattern because the next stop on this train is 3904. Um, and that's ES. Going to NASDAQ. I did some correction in the channel as I have been discussing for the last few weeks. Um, I split this channel in two and created a different channel on the top for NASDAQ. So here we are right in the middle of this uh, mean of this channel. So at the sweet spot, and this is again a regular pattern. After every few or couple of green candles, we do see a red candle, and that's just fine. So this is what we are looking at on NASDAQ on weekly. If we look at it on a daily chart, this is just consolidating sideways. So NASDAQ is good. Uh, it's facing resistance at 12,897. You could say 13,000 ballpark. And after this, it has to, once it goes up from here, the next target would be 13,600. Excuse me. 13,600 to 13,750. So that's the target we are looking at on NASDAQ once we clear this area. This is the near future that we're talking about. And going to Russell quickly. No, Russell needs to be corrected. I need to correct the channel on Russell, or maybe Russell needs a correction of its own. Um, but Russell is shooting up like there is no tomorrow. This may also be attributed because it had been consolidating for a very, very long time. So, but right now it's facing resistance at 2162. If you see here, this is a bearish engulfing candle. Let's see the weekly candle right here. Oh, wow. We may consolidate sideways here. The ceiling being 2162. Uh, However, with the stimulus bill and um, the new administration and all the news cycles that we would be looking at in the next few days, this may just keep on shooting up just like NASDAQ did a couple of months back when NASDAQ was shooting up from 100% level. Let me pull that chart up. And right here, we shoot up just like this. Russell may shoot up just like this, and then correction. I hope probably right around this shoot up. So RTY. Russell needs to consolidate. It's been shooting up for a very, very long time. So all those people who are trading in Russell 2000 based ETFs, IWM, TNA, you guys should be um, watchful about your trades. Um, let's talk about Dow Jones. Dow Jones is doing good, just going sideways, just above this resistance level of 30,000, 30,699, 30,700. And again, this is on weekly. So With this current week, if we form a green candle here, this would complete a short version of high base on weekly, and then we can just resume the trend upwards. This is Dow Jones. Let's take a quick look at Australian Securities Exchange, that ASX 200. Well, this is taking support from the bottom of this channel that we drew, but nonetheless, it's trying to stay within. This is the bulls trying to push it up. Uh, the bears brought it all the way down, but the bullish sentiment slash momentum pushed it all the way up. So this, if it would have ended here, it would have been a piercing bearish candle. That would have been a bearish trend reversal candle, but because it pushed all the way up, there is a lot of bullish momentum right here that's keeping it up, trying to keep it inside this channel. And let's see on daily chart. Yeah, it's trying to stay within this channel, taking support from this, forming higher lows. Let's quickly take a look at Nifty for people who invest in India. Oh, Nifty is back. Nifty is just back inside. As I said, once it tries to get in, this will feel the resistance of this channel again. So this is what Nifty is feeling. Let's look at it on a weekly chart. Uh, yeah, Nifty is just inside this old channel, feeling the resistance right around this area. So now we may see another green candle before we consolidate again and move up further. Nifty is kind of mimicking Nasdaq, but with a couple of days or at least a week delay because of the time zone and or the holiday schedule in US slash India. So that kind of uh, staggers the uh, movement here. So that's it for today. For me, you may unmute yourself and feel free to ask any questions that you may have.